Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily and quickly delete messages for everyone in the Telegram app. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments, and let's get started. I have to say that now more and more different messengers and also from social networks are moving to a form where you can choose to delete messages only for yourself or everyone, and some may be confused by such features. And I'm going to show you how you can handle this with Telegram. To begin with, friends, open Telegram, go to the correspondence where you would like to delete some message. Then you have to click on the message or the image, it doesn't matter. You will see a small menu like this at the bottom. From it, select Delete, and then you'll have a choice of Delete for me or Delete for everyone. You choose Delete for everyone, and instantly that message will be deleted from both you and the person you're talking to. This is how you can quickly and easily delete messages for everyone in the Telegram app. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.